good, YouTube? Back at it with another video. Today I just really want to break down the NASDAQ trade and how it went out, because as you saw yesterday, we had a breakdown and analysis, a full in-depth analysis of it. If you want to know what happened, how I came to the thought process of selling the NASDAQ, you can just watch the video I posted yesterday. So yesterday, as I said, I think we were right about this zone yesterday. We're right, because I placed the trade right after ending the video around here. Because remember what I said yesterday, I was like, listen, I would want it to come in and around this zone. If it doesn't, I would sell the next bearish candle, because I was like, listen, it only makes sense that this is a level of significance in the market. It's been tested 1, 2, 3 times. You know, it's all the times it has went back down to make new lower lows. So I'm like, all right, so if I sell the NASDAQ right over here with this candle, you see on minute 30, I sold at this, like, as soon as I saw wicks, because I was like, you know, it's only like a 70 pip stop and my risk is not really that high on NASDAQ. So I'm like, okay, I'm seeing like crazy wicks, I think I should sell it. I think I sold on the minute 15. Yes, I was seeing a lot like bearish momentum. I was like, okay, so it's a bullish candle followed by a hammer, a red, a bearish hammer, and then a lot of wicks to the downside, indicating that the bulls are coming in, right? And then I sold right here. As soon as I closed the trade, I placed the sell, stopped above the my significant highs. I mean the above the previous higher lows, and I was like, okay, let's sell it to the low, the previous lower low, right? So I'm like, all right, previous lower low is here, so let me just put my targets a little above it, right? Put my targets above it, literally like I think a second or two, no, like 5 minutes into it, we're in profit, came back to my break even, and then just continued tanking down until my targets were hit for 1 to 250. Yeah, we can say 1 to 250. So that's literally the breakdown of the NASDAQ, right? So everything that I've been explaining just happened in the market, right? So right now I'm going to be looking for a new pair to trade today. You know, I'm gonna post a video later today explaining whichever pair or index I choose to trade today, but I'm really looking at the GU and GJ because I'm seeing a lot of bullish momentum in there. So I'm really just hoping that I can catch something else, right? So also something else that I'm going to post later today is my AUD USD trade. I placed I had an analysis, and this is how the analysis worked out with the AUD USD. Let me look for it. AUD USD. Yeah, so this is the analysis of my AUD USD. I'm gonna post the trade later today, really just explaining what happened and my thought process throughout it. Caught a little 60 pip move, right? It's a nice 60 pip move because it was at the lows of the previous candle, right? So I'm gonna post that. Yeah, so see you in another video. Thank you. Please